Everyone was looking at you both being mad. Your breath is saying them. You quickly pushed Taeyong a little and stood straight. You glanced at Taeyong with hopefully eyes. He nodded. Mrs. came right in the living room. You both. She said angrily and they walked away from there. You looked at Jungkook and his eyes only showed betrayal, which hurt you because you thought you broke the heart of an innocent man. You gulped at the wall behind them and said, Taeyong, what will happen now? He looked at you and gave you a smile. He squeezed your hand. Taeyong, nothing will happen. I'm with you, so don't worry. You nodded, hearing him. As you both walked into the living room, there was pin drop silence. Everyone was looking at you both like they would eat you alive. You gulped, shivers started to run from your entire body. Mrs. Kim went. You got confused. You looked at Hyung and he was equally confused with her question. Hyung, what? They all glanced at each other. Mrs. Jung, when are you both planning to marry? Your eyes widened hearing her, and that's when everyone burst out laughing. Your eyes popped out seeing them laughing. Taeyong gulped, not knowing what was exactly happening. They laughed more, seeing your both expressions. Taeyong narrowed his eyes, but his mother pointed accusingly. I knew it. Your eyes widened. Taeyong knew what? His father started laughing loudly. We knew he loved you from the beginning. You blinked in confusion. How your cheeks turned red. Taeyong frowned. His mother closed her arms proudly. Mrs. Kim, that marriage talk with Jungkook was a drama. Your jaw dropped. Jungkook grinned shamelessly. JK Hyung almost screamed with his eyes. You looked at him slowly. Wyan, you were jealous. He scoffed. No, everyone laughed immediately. Your father shook his head. Mr. Jung, he came upstairs looking ready for your face turned red instantly. Thank later everyone. But then your soft laughter reached him, and just like that, all his irritation disappeared. He looked down at you, really looked at you. The girl he tried to reject, the girl he could never stay away from. The girl who somehow became his entire piece, his hand gently held yours. Then, in front of everyone, he lifted your fingers to his lips and then softly, I should have married you the day I first saw you, he murmured. Your heart melted completely. And from the background, Jungkook yelled dramatically, JK, disgusting, get married already. The room exploded with laughter. Young simply pulled you closer against him. Finally, where you belong, making your cheeks burn more. You hide your face in his arms after seeing everyone gazes on you. The wedding preparation had turned the entire Kim mansion upside down. Servants rushed everywhere, flowers covered every corner, designer boxes, jewelry sets, expensive fabric, invitation cards, everything screamed luxury. But Kim Taeyong only cared about one thing, you. Where is she? Taeyong's deep worried through the living room, while losing his tie after returning from work. His mother rolled her eyes dramatically. Mrs. Kim, you asked for wine before even greeting your own mother now. Taeyong, I greeted you yesterday. His father laughed loudly from the couch. Mr. Kim, this boy is finished. Taeyong ignored everyone completely. His eyes searched upstairs instinctively, and then soft footstep. His entire expression changed. Instantly, you walked downstairs carefully, wearing a light pink dress, hair loosely tied, and holding a tray of coffee cups. And just like always, the moment Taeyong saw you, the world around him disappeared. His sharp eyes softened, and consciously you noticed immediately, and your cheeks turned pink. His mother now everything and whispered to your mother dramatically. Mrs. Kim looked at him staring. Your mother tried not to laugh. Meanwhile, Jungkook purposely coughed loudly. JK Hyun guys somewhere in public. Taeyong glare, shut up. But when you reached near him, stood up automatically every single time without fail, as if his body naturally moved for you now. I will take you, he said quietly, taking the heavy tray from your hand. Your fingers brushed his slightly tiny touch, yet enough to make his jaw tighten. You lowered your eyes shyly, and his mother almost screamed from happiness. Later that night, rain poured outside while everyone slept peacefully except you. You sat near your bedroom window, quietly reading a book when suddenly a knock. Your heartbeat skipped instantly. You already knew who it was. Wine, come in. The door opened slowly. He entered wearing black sweatpants and a loose white shirt, dark hair, slightly wet after showering. God, even after months, he still made you nervous. He shut the door behind him, then locked it. Your breath got stuck, wanted Taeyong. He walked towards you silently, slowly like a predator who already knew his prey belonged to him. Why are you awake? He asked. Vaiana couldn't sleep. He hummed. He sat beside you on the bed, too close, way too close. You could smell his perfume immediately. Your fingers tightened around the book, and he noticed. Of course, he did. He always noted everything about you. You still get nervous around me, he murmured quietly. You tried defending yourself softly, Vaiana. You suddenly came into my room and made right. His lip twitched slightly. Then, without warning, he pulled the book from your hand and placed it aside. Your eyes widened. Vaiana, He looked at you more intensely, Taeyong. What's more interesting than me? You stared at him speechlessly. He leaned closer and close enough from your breathing to make you ignore me for weeks before he whispered, eyes looking on your lips. Taeyong, now I can't even stay away from you for 5 minutes. Your heart will become uncontrollable. Taeyong smiled faintly, seeing your nervousness. God, you are adorable. The strongest businessman in Seoul reduced to insanity because one girl could not even maintain eye contact with him properly. His hand slowly moved upward, tucking your hair behind your ears gently, such a soft action, yet your entire body trembled. Taeyong's eyes darkened instantly. See, he murmured, Taeyong, one touch and you shake. You looked away shyly. But then his finger held your chin carefully, making you look back at him. No, he said quietly. Taeyong, look at me when I'm talking to you. You're a bit hasty. The authority in his voice always affected you, not because he forced you, but because somewhere deep down you loved obeying him. Taeyong noticed the exact moment your eyes softened and that completely destroyed his remaining self-control. He used softly, not rough like the first time. This was dangerous in another way, soft, deep, possessive, like he was memorizing you. Your fingers slowly grabbed his shirt, while his hand rested around your waist, pulling you closer against him, so small he whispered against your lips, saying, and still causing me this much trouble. You laughed softly and Taeyong froze because your laughter, your real comfortable laughter, was one of the weirdest things. You used to be so careful around him before, so hesitant, so fragile, but now you melted around him naturally, close to him naturally, and that meant more to him than anything else. The wedding hall looked unreal, golden lights, white roses, music echoing softly, guests everywhere. Yet Hyung stood near the stage looking impatient, very impatient. JK walked beside him speaking. JK, you look like you're about to fight someone. Taeyong, I hate waiting. JK shook his head. No. JK corrected him immediately. JK, you hate waiting for why? And Taeyong did not deny it, not anymore. Then suddenly the music changed. Everyone turned. Taeyong's breath stopped. You walked inside slowly beside your father. Beautiful was not enough. You looked unreal. The soft white dress flowed around you, while your eyes searched nervously through the crowd until they landed on him, immediately softened. Taeyong stared at you like the entire world had disappeared. His chest tightened painfully because this exact girl, once looked at him with silent heartbreak after he rejected her, and now she was walking towards him to become his forever. Jungkook lay near him, whispering dramatically, JK, if you cry right now, I'm recording it. Taeyong shoved him away without looking, but his eyes never left you, not even for a second. After the wedding ceremony, the families gathered together, laughing, high talking pictures. Your cheeks hurt from smiling too much, but suddenly a strong arm wrapped around your waist from behind. You gasped softly, Teo, come with me, you frowned, Ryan. Then everyone is here. He nodded steadily. I know, and shamelessly he took you away anyway. Jungkook yelled from behind. Taeyong ignored him completely. The rooftop garden was quiet, cool wind moved softly through your hair. High city lights glowed beautifully below. Taeyong stood in front of you silently for a moment. Then suddenly he pulled you against his chest tightly, very tightly. Your heartbeat softened immediately. You know, he said quietly above your head, Taeyong, when I rejected you, you looked up slowly. He smiled bitterly. Taeyong, I went home, nearly lost my mind. Your eyes widened slightly. Taeyong, I kept thinking about you. Your face burned instantly. Taeyong chuckled softly at your reaction. Then his thumb brushed your cheek gently. I was scared, he said, making you blink in surprise. Kept Taeyong scared? Taeyong, I thought if I loved you, he whispered quietly. I had become too weak. Your eyes softened completely, Taeyong. But then you started avoiding me. He laughed under his breath, Taeyong, and suddenly I realized I was already weak. The wind moved softly around you both. Everything felt still, peaceful, warm. Taeyong leaned down slowly until his forehead rested against yours. Taeyong, so thank you. Your breath trembled. Wonderful for following me, he whispered. Even when I made it difficult, your eyes filled instantly, and before tears could fall, he kissed your forehead softly, then your eyelids and your cheeks, and if he wanted to protect every sadness you had ever felt. I will spend the rest of my life making up for that rejection, he murmured quietly. You smiled through watery eyes, and if I get angry again, Taeyong's lip curved slowly. Then I will you until you forgive me. You laughed softly, and God, that sound. The exact sound became Taeyong's favorite thing in the entire world. Behind the rooftop door, both families secretly watch everything. His mother wiped fake tears dramatically. Mrs. K, my son become romantic. Your father sighed emotionally. Mr. Jung, you're really in love. Meanwhile, Jungkook looked disgusted. JK, can't they stop staring at each other like they're in drama? But under the soft city lights, Taeyong pulled you closer into his arms, held your fingers rested against his chest comfortably. No fear, no hesitation, just warmth, just love. And for the first time in years, Kim Taeyong finally looked completely at peace. The end. Comment your reviews about the story and subscribe for more. Thank you.